Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change out the DI resin in the Hydrosphere half cubic foot DI tank. Start by unscrewing the tank head in a counterclockwise direction. Once you have removed the tank head, you'll see the old spent resin as well as the riser tube inside. You could throw the old resin into the regular waste. To refill, reinsert the riser tube and then use the specialized funnel that has a cap in the middle. That will cover the top of the riser tube, making sure no resin gets inside it. Next, start slowly pouring in new DI resin, making sure that it goes down through the funnel. If by chance you pour too fast and you get a buildup of resin, you can always shake the funnel in the tank to get it down through the funnel. Now continue filling the tank until it's approximately half full. Once half full, remove the funnel and then just give a few taps of the tank on a soft surface. This will help the resin start to pack down, and this will also allow you to pour more resin into the tank. Continue pouring in resin until you get it all the way full. If there's still a little bit of resin that won't go all the way through, you can use some water to flush it down. You want to make sure that the resin inside the tank is just below the thread line on the inside of the tank. Now we screw on the tank head in a clockwise motion and you're all done.